A very good evening to all of you. Class 8 Moral Science Lesson 1. Lesson 1 speaks about freedom. What is the name of the lesson? Lesson name is Are You Free? Dear children, let us ask these questions to ourselves. Am I really free, both mentally and physically? Or is there something that blocks me to enjoy the freedom? In this lesson, we study about how to enjoy freedom of mind, body, and soul. If you are free, you can make others also free. When we were under the control of Britishers, we were not enjoying freedom. Once we got the independence, we became free. In this lesson, we also read a beautiful story of two birds. How did they enjoy the freedom? So, dear children, I'm not going to read the lesson line by line, but you read it by yourselves at least 3 or 4 times. Understand the lesson and write the question and answers by yourselves. Now, let us take the exercises, exercise number 1 and 2. What is exercise number 1? Exercise number 1 is write true or false. I will discuss only these two exercises, and the third one, that is question answers, you have to write by yourself. See, write true or false. The first question. A truly religious person sees love and brotherhood in all religions. What will be the answer? True or false? So the answer is true. Second question. A person cannot be slave to ignorance. Read the question carefully. A person cannot be slave to ignorance. So that is false. Watching the stories of violence and understanding does not do any harm to you. That is also false. Freedom is a state of life without rules and regulations. Answer again, it's false. Misuse and understanding of freedom are like weeds in a garden. So the answer is true. Let's go to the second exercise. Exercise is filling the blanks. A religious fanatic becomes obsessed with a dash for other religions. It's hatred. Literacy removes dash and lights up one's life. Answer is darkness. You can be an addict to television, computer, or mobile. Laziness and idleness dash a man to have a narrow vision of life. Answer is enslave. Fifth one, freedom demands a great deal of dash, a great deal of responsibility.